Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So before we get started in the video, first let's scramble the 5x5 like this now. Okay, so first what you want to do is solve the centers, then the edges, and right after you do the edges, then you can solve it like a 3x3. Then it's very easy. Then so after that, just make white cross, first layer, and then second layer, and then last layer. So first let's make the centers. So first what we do is find the white center, look around your cube. Okay, there's a white centers here. So the main thing about centers is bars, so keep making bars. We have one here, move that up there, and then find another edge like this. Now move this, get this up. Okay, so now we have like this. Right after that, find another edge piece. Yeah, okay, and then we have a corner here, so let's just, okay, now we have this. We need one more corner. Yeah, we have that here. Okay, now get this up. We need to solve the last area, so that twist it like this. Put this here. Yeah, we have this. Now just, okay, we have this. Now just move it up. Okay, so the white center is done. The white center is actually very easy. So first, now for the second center, just or yellow, you need to make the middle bar first, and for that just bring this down, find an edge piece, run it 2 times the front layer, get it back up. We have one bar here. Now we still, okay, now we have a corner here. We can get that corner up first. Okay, now the reason I'm doing like this and the reason I'm not just like that moving is because then it would destroy the white center. Okay, so now just to move this here, move this. Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you a really easy algorithm which you can use in a case where you cannot make any more bars. But of course for yellow I can make bars, but I'll just show you anyways. Now if you need to get this here, then keep this right below the place it has to go. So if you keep it like this, it's here. So here it's like this. But if you want this to come here, then since this is at the top right, make this also at the top right. So now move this up and remember the corner. Okay, so now remember the corner. So now, okay, so it's this corner. Now the corner is on this side, so move this side also up. Now you have to move this back. So if the corner, imagine if that corner was here, it would have came back here. So move this down, and then now if the corner was here, move it back like this, and then move this also down, and then automatically the corner has come here. Okay, so now find an edge like this, yeah, and then do that. Now we have 2, and this is the last piece. But now if you want it to come here, then don't do this. As I told, it mess up the white center. So instead do this, get this down, turn, and now you get it back up. The white center stays the same. Okay, so now we are done with white and yellow center. Now just choose any random center that you like, but I'll go with orange. So we have an edge right here. So now just there, we have made our first bar already. Now we can make our second bar. Just pull this and then bring this up here. Okay, now pull this, find another edge piece. So yeah, just here. Okay, and then there we have already made 2 bars, and now the third bar, find a corner which is here. Okay, now get that down, and then there we have already made the orange. Okay, so now move to the next, which is any color you want, but I'll go with blue. So first for blue, just, okay, I already have a bar, so I'll just get that up. Okay, so then the first step, just do this now. Okay, and now we still have these 2 left, and this is still remains proper. Okay, so then, okay, get this up. Now, okay, we have both right under the blue side. Now, as I said, in a case where you cannot make any bars, you repeat that algorithm, but that will mainly be used for the last 2 centers. For here, you can still use bars, or if you can't, there's another special way. First, now I can connect this and put it here and get these 2, but we still have this corner, right? So keep it on the top right. Now keep it like, and here you see these two, right? These two, it should not be like this where both of these are down. It should be up. Now that it's up, move all of these 3 layers down, turn it like this, move it back up. This is still remains good. Now bring this down, turn the center 2 times and back up. Okay, so now we have come here to the last 2 layers. Now here that algorithm which I taught you will mostly work. Now get this up now, but actually one thing is I want these two things to go at here at just once. Okay, so for that I'll get this up. Okay, so now these two I should remember where they go, and then they go here. Okay, so I can do like that, then it's here, so get this down and there, so get both of them down. Okay, so now, but this doesn't work like all the time, because sometimes it comes like you can, if there's a thing like, yeah, see now I'm trying to get both of these here, but when I turn both of these, one center is still in the same part, but that is not how it should work. It should always go to a different part. So if this comes here, and if I turn it, it still doesn't move in this edge or anything. It still stays in the same edge. So the algorithm doesn't work for that. So now what you have to do, just get those bars up first. Okay, so now I taught you how you should do the algorithm. Then you have this thing and you only have one corner missing, but when you have an edge missing, it's also very easy. So you just do this. Okay, then you bring just once bring, and then now just get this up. Okay, so now bring this down, go get this up. Okay, but now we can see we can't get any more bars, so let's just do that algorithm which I showed. Move this. Now remember where it goes, here. Now remember where it again goes, here. Remember where it goes, here. We still have one more edge, so we can still do that same algorithm here. Remember where it goes, here. Remember where it goes, here, and then here. Okay, so now we have done all of the centers. Okay, so first let us do the white edges. Okay, so to do the white edges, find a white edge. Okay, we have red, so let's keep one red in our choice. Keep a red in our choice. Find another red edge here. Okay, so then, okay, these are not in the correct way. This should either have red and white, or this should either have red or white. It can't be like different sides, like white and red. That won't work. So just do R, U, R prime, this. Okay, so now both are here. So now you can just turn this, move, replace with an unsolved edge, and then you can do like that. So next, okay, we still have one more red edge here. Now find that previous red edge which is here and this, but this does not match, so do that algorithm again. Okay, so now check if we have an unsolved edge here. Yes, we do. So now we can flip, move it, and then we have solved the first white edge. Now find another. Okay, now I'll come back to this thing. Okay, I'll take this green for the last. So okay, we already have two blue edges, so now find the third blue edge. Where is that? Let's try to find it. Okay, so it's missing. I have no idea. Okay, it's here. That's again not at all matching, so okay, so now there is an unsolved edge here, but let's not shuffle it. Okay, now replace with an unsolved edge and solve. Okay, we still have orange left. Okay, so now these two are on the correct color, so no need to do that algorithm. So now we still have this here. Okay, so we have it like this. Okay, so we have here and then okay, so now this is what I'm coming to, the green edge. So yeah, when you get it like this, when the two edges are in the correct color but flipped, then you can do this. First, keep the place where it has one edge. So this has two edges, this has one edge. The side which has one edge, always keep it to the left. So it should not be like this, where it's on the right side. It should be at the left, and also it should both of the edges should always be on the top side. So this should not be like at the bottom, or this should not be at the bottom. So now what you do, rotate these two fully and then do this algorithm. Okay, so now we have solved the green edge also. So now we are coming to these colors edges. So it's like all the edges between these colors now we have to solve, like red, blue, red, green. So now we have two red, blues solved. I should find it. Okay, yeah, see, we have got the same thing again. So let's do that first. That's a yellow. Where's an orange? Can't find any oranges. Okay, oh my god, it's right here, right below me. So now keep this at the top, this at the top, and this at the left. So now do that algorithm. Okay, so now you can do the next, which was red and blue. Okay, we have it here, but the colors are switched, and now we have it proper. So now flip, do this, and then do this. Now we still have red and green, so the colors are also switched. So now do this. Now it's matching. Replace with an unsolved edge. Okay, so green and red to green and red. Okay, yeah, so now the colors are matching. Find an unsolved edge. There is no unsolved edge below me, so I'll just take an unsolved edge right there. Now okay, so we still have one last, which is orange and green. Okay, so sorry about that. Now just find orange and green. Okay, good. Now just search for an unsolved edge. Okay, yeah, here. And now find that edge. Where is that? Okay, yeah, here. And then now find the other edge. There's lots of finding in here. Okay, it's right here now. Both are having the same color, so just search for another unsolved edge. Okay, so now it's here. Okay, now flip. Take this. Get the unsolved edge and do this. Okay, and then get the centers back to its original shape. Now I can solve. Now we are done with the between color edges. Now we still have the yellow color edges. The yellow edges. Now I'll first do the red. Now, okay. Okay, so okay, both are like this, and now okay, so we have got the red color edge. Okay, we have this kind of shape. So when you have that kind of a shape, you can do this. I showed you the algorithm. I'll do it again. Okay, so keep this at the left, keep this at the top. Now get this to like Okay, so now we have one edge here. We have to find the other edge, which is right here. Okay, now we can do it like this. We can just keep both of these on the same side, and then since we want this to come here, what we can do is just get this here. Okay, so get this here and then do this, and then you get this, but you still get one edge flipped. Okay, so what you should do is you have to turn it up first, and then this is called edge parity. It's almost same as the 4x4, so keep this edge at the top, and then you move 2 layers, and then face the bottom, do this, and then you move all 3 layers down. Okay, so now we have solved all of the edges, and now the very last step is to solve it just like a 3x3, which is very easy. Now just first make the cross. Okay, oh, there's any sound outside, just leave it. Okay, first layer done. Now you can okay, and now you do. Okay, so second layer done. Now the last layer. Now just solve this also like a 3x3. Okay, I did. Now I just have to do R20 from RT. It's a bit hard to do in this for some reason. Okay, and now for the last step. There. So now this is how you solve a 5x5 cube. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload more videos. Bye.